back, the pocket printer. Now what we're gonna do in this video is hook up the printer to the camera and take a photo of the camera here and print it out in real time. Let you know how long it takes to print, all that fun stuff, and I'll show you the picture afterwards. If you're like a person who likes to give out photos, you've seen other videos and other channels where you take the grip and you can connect it to the bottom of the printer and you could walk around and pretend you have a Polaroid camera and that nature. I don't think many people are going to do that. I think this is more for something you're going to put in your bag. And then when you want to print out a photo from the photos you have on your camera, you can go back and do that. So you take photos all day long, come back to your room, have a great photo you want to share, take this out of your bag, make a print, give it to your buddy, give it to whoever, that kind of thing. So it comes with one photo cartridge, that's 10 photos. So I would suggest if you do buy this, is to go ahead and buy a couple of extra cartridges to do more photos. So this is the photo cartridges you can buy extra, 2 color ribbons and 20 photo paper. So you get a lot more when you buy the box here than what it comes with. What it comes with is going to give you a taste of what the printer can do. So 10 shots. You get the adapter. This is the adapter that's going to go basically on the, if you're going to connect the grip to the printer itself, this is the adapter right here. Add this piece right here to the bottom, clips right on, and then you could connect it on the bottom of here. And then it locks in and you can have this set up. Cool idea. Maybe you want to walk around and do that at a party, take a picture and wait for a photo to come out. I will not be using it that way, I don't think. So I'm going to basically leave this in my bag. So let's go ahead and pair it up. Within the camera itself, I'll show you what that looks like. And you want to go ahead and pair the printer. It's pretty darn easy. All right, my camera is on, my grip is connected. I'm gonna go ahead and power on the printer right here on the side. Hold that button. There is a USB charging port back here to charge up your printer. Getting ready. All right, so you go to Bluetooth under your connections. Bluetooth at the bottom and the printer part. You want to select that. Tell it to connect. Set printer effects. All right, let's look at that. So you give you a couple choices. You want the Leica watermark on the print? Yes or no? That's what that question is there. And then you can do frameless or Polaroid. Polaroid is going to have a little white edge around the photo completely to give it that more of the old school Polaroid look. I'm rather do frameless. I rather get more of the picture on the print. All right, let's go ahead and take a picture of the camera. Is that too boring? I could find a picture within all my pictures and print that. So I took a picture of my GoPro hat. 3 dots to the right-hand side, you want to hit that. And then they give you some options, transfer, print. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit print. And let's do this in real time and see how long it takes. Print preview comes up to show what it looks like, it's gonna look like. I'm gonna hit print. And it says processing. Right. So as this prints, we'll just go ahead and talk, because you love when I talk. So how long does this take? I don't really know for sure. It takes a minute or two to go ahead and print. My camera's got no warnings or anything. And it's gonna come out in yellow first. And there'll be 3 different colors we'll go through to make it print. While we're waiting, this is a good time to go ahead and subscribe to the channel and like the video. It really helps out the channel. And it's free for you. Absolutely free. I promise. What we got? We're close. One more back and forth. All right. Stop the clock. All right, and there's the photo there. So the bottom, it's got Insta360 Ace Pro, and then it has the actual focal length f2.6 and 1/1.3. So a little advertisement there, and then on the photo it says Insta360 Ace Pro 2. So a lot of verbiage on the photo of where it came from and who took it, what kind of camera it is. But it's a fun way to do a shot out with your friends, and you want to get an instant photo to give to someone. They can actually have something physically they can hold, put in their wallet, put in their bag, they can go back and look to. Very old school, like boyfriend, girlfriend, best buddy, all that kind of stuff. Cool idea, Insta360. Again, I'm not a big fan of connecting it to the bottom of the camera. It's a cool option if you want to do that. I would more keep this as what it is. It's a printer in my bag. If I want to print a certain photo from all of my photos that I have on my camera, I can do that. I'll put the links down below if you're interested in purchasing one. I'll put the links also for this guy here. My code is down below if you want to use that. Maybe save you some money. Thanks Insta360 for sending this stuff out for review, and we'll keep rocking and rolling.